Well everyone, this is not just another temple video. This is a temple video with a difference. I think this is one of the better, from a personal opinion, better than Big Buddha up on the hill, and it's called Wat Nong Yai. And let me just spin you around and show you why I think it's the better temple for looks and the way the grounds are laid out. Now look at this. This is the white temple. It's just off Sukhumvit Road. And it is completely white and ornate in every detail. Let's have a look around and see why I think it's one of the better temples, if not the best temple in Pattaya. This is an interesting little contraption. These wires that go up onto the temple, up to the top there, they tie the prayer flags on, like that one there. You find them a lot in Tibet, so the prayers are cast with wind, but you don't often see that in the temples around here. So yeah, this temple, Wat Nong Yai, is completely white, and just doing a little bit of reading on it, it's white because it represents the purity of heaven, and there's lots of mirrors everywhere placed on the temple, and that's to reflect the good doings that you do through your life. Just walking around this temple, it is very, very, very impressive, and this is why I think it's one of the best temples in Pattaya that is not very often visited by the tourists. One of those little hidden gems. I know we're always saying on YouTube, there's a hidden gem, but this is one of the hidden gems that people don't even appreciate it's here, and it's overlooked by thousands of people. And when you look at the craftsmanship, like all these temples, and look at the ornate workmanship, it is really, really something to be seen. All the doors are carved wooden mahogany. Ornately carved doors in mahogany. Here we go, this is inside. The walls, the ceilings, all mirrored, as I say, to reflect the good doings that you do in your lifetime. You've got some sort of exhibition here depicting various people, probably prominent monks over the years. Very often the case, the prominent monks are putting on show in a life form their work as a monk. This one looks very deep in thought. They even put their glasses on. He's got his glasses on. He's got the centre temple as well. And there's monks that are living here, so there's people around here all the time. Look at this. This is quite common now. I'm finding that these trees, bushes, or whatever they are, just grow around the rocks, and their roots encapsulate everything. We've got a big old chang there on the entrance to the big temple. Let's just have a look at the white temple from this angle. There you go, look at that. And in the centre of this temple is this ornamental lake with the dragon and the serpent in the middle, which is you don't often see. The guy there has been feeding the fish, and there's some big fish there. There's some huge fish down there, massive, looks like catfish. So obviously they get bigger and bigger the more you feed them. Wherever you go in the temple, there's always a temple dog somewhere. The dragon in the lake, and again a goddess of some description. And coming to the back of the dragon, as I say, I visited temple, and I don't know why, because it's got so much to offer, really. I don't know if people don't realise it's here, but certainly is one of the, say in my opinion, one of the better temples in Pattaya. Is the monk doing his daily chores, clearing up. Ready to go up? And as you come here, right in front of this Buddha, let's go up to the top. Stands this magnificent structure, Buddha. Right, at the bottom of that big Buddha, we found these caves. We've come back out of the cave system, and that was the entrance to it in the mouth of this base here, and right up to the top of where Buddha sits. That's where we just come on underneath. And if you look underneath Buddha, all those red leaves represent the lotus leaf, which is very prominent in Buddhist tradition, and the wheel of lives goes up through there. Of course, you've got the dragons protecting, as always, the Buddha. And that looks like, to me, the Buddha's footprint, which you'll often see. You'll see there's sometimes gold or coins laid on it. And say it's another Buddhist symbol, which is the Buddha's footprint. And say all the monks are all out cleaning the areas. They're all sweeping up, doing their daily chores. As I say, I think this is one of the better, if not the best, temple complex in Pattaya. Next to this guy here, this monk here, they're dressed in white. They are helpers. They often be seen around the temples to help the monks. There you go, there's another view of it. So there you have it. That's my thoughts and showing you around this lovely little temple complex. It's, to me, the better temple, looking temple from the outside. I don't think you can beat it, and it's very seldom visited by the tourists and the phalanx. So I'll put a link below where it actually is, but until the next time, stay safe, and I'll see you a bit further down the line.